Rabblings, it's your girl Leah here, and right now my day for drop a hot mix-up. Tell me, what would you do? Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings.
The wife of a well-known businessman in Portland was found murdered in a burning vehicle in the parish today. 32-year-old Tanya McDonald was discovered some meters away from her home. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Charred remains of this vehicle parked along the roadway in the Sherwood Forest community in Portland has left the residents puzzled as to what transpired Monday night. Reports are that shortly after 9 p.m., the body of 32-year-old Tony McDonald, wife of businessman Everton Beachy Stout McDonald, was discovered with the throat slashed and the body partially burnt. According to the police, an alarm was raised after a burning vehicle was spotted in a secluded area in the community. Firefighters rushed to the scene and put out the fire amid rain. The body was later found inside the vehicle. It's understood the incident happened more than 10 kilometers from Dolphin Bay, where Mrs. McDonald resided. Investigations suggest the woman was abducted, murdered, and then the car set ablaze. In May 2009, Everton Beachy Stout McDonald's first wife, Merlene, was gunned down outside her gate in Bonebrook near the entrance to Springbank Road.
You know, I feel fuck up. I tell you two things why I feel fuck up about this. One, you know, so yesterday, I end up going on Andrew McDonald Instagram page, and I look and I say, Bumble Club, boy, look what the boy kill it with me. Yesterday, you know. And last night when Melissa called me and I tell me what go on and something, and I say it look like assassin at the car and Beachy Stout called Adrian, That's before Adrian texts me and start telling me, Melissa said to me, she said, Raquel, say you're the first person I call. You know why you're the first person I call? Because she and Sassy are bestie, She said, no, you're the first person I call. She said, I say years upon years, Sassy I go dead. Years upon years, you beat it and I miss say Beachy I go kill Sassy. And anytime Beachy I kill Sassy, I go dead to Melissa. You know why I always say this to Melissa? Sassy body of fuck. Me now go around, I'm gonna ask, me go split justice to splits. Sassy body of fuck. That's why everybody even found a shared first, honestly speaking, because it's so funny, Gina in another group here. You see Gina, best friend, baby father from shared first, Sassy a fuck him, dollar kind. I don't know if you know our next boy on Facebook name, Seagull, go look upon him from upper shirt first, so Sassy fuck him too. So even last night we had trying to ponder, so I wonder which one of the man them should go upper shirt first too, or comes Beachy either meet her up there or send man up there go kill her. When me tell her say Sassy bad, you know say last week Sassy left got on with dollar kind. And Della can search her phone and find an ex-man in the way she a fuck and beat her up, batter bruise up her body and her back, tear off the wig off her head, a ton, broke her car windscreen or something. She called Melissa and a ball, and Melissa said to her, Sassy, stop fuck then little. But when me tell her, Sassy bad. Just a week and a half ago, Sassy left got what you go to RJ party again with Shelly, then beat you find out and beat it, nearly kill it. All of this is no sentence, is no death sentence for her. I should have fucking left her alone. I should have really left her alone, because I tell her she's terrible. But it's just a sad day, it's just a sad situation. But me know for a fact that I kill her, because when could I get her phone from to call Adrian?
A month-long search for Andreen McDonald now over.
Andreen's husband, Andre McDonald, arrested at his home this morning on a murder charge. The Bexar County Sheriff's Office confirms the remains found on Specht Road, just about 6 miles from the McDonald's home, are those of Andreen.
Our Patty Santos joins us now live. She's got the new details that were released in this case today. Patty?
Yeah, the sheriff says it was the remains of Andrew McDonald that they needed. It was a missing piece that they needed to seal this case and make the arrest today. Now, her body, positively identified using dental records last night, appeared to have been covered with wood and bones near a dead cow and set on fire on Specht Road. This, according to an arrest affidavit. Tonight, we're also learning about the additional evidence found at the home, including blood belonging to Andrew McDonald, found in various parts of the home. Andre McDonald's pants and on a hammer he allegedly discarded. Andre McDonald was charged with previously with tampering with evidence. He was on a house arrest. The sheriff tells us how his arrests went down just a few hours ago.
We were able to place a call and have him step out of the house where one of our takedown teams took him down. We had surveillance on the house for some time, and so we were confident that he was there. It was just a matter of, was he going to come out willingly? And he did.
And we were there as Andre was being taken to be booked on a murder charge. His face stoic. He appeared to be tired, but didn't say anything to reporters. Now, we can tell you tonight that the daughter that the couple shared is in the custody of family. And according to court documents, it appears that she may have been a witness to what happened to her mother. We are going to have more on the arrest coming up tonight.
Guys, it all started at this location when Andrew McDonald's friends, they were concerned that Andrew hadn't been to the gym or to the business she owned like she would have in her normal routine. Now, the timeline of events dates all the way back to February the 28th when Andreen was last seen near her home. Her friends reported her missing the next day after they found the details provided by Andreen's husband to be suspicious. On March 2nd, after BCSO got involved, investigators say Andre purchased cans of gas, heavy-duty trash bags, work gloves, a portable burn barrel, a shovel, and an axe, all of which items that led deputies to believe that he was trying to get rid of a body. He was ultimately detained for mental health concerns after deputies followed him to a gun shop and witnessed him purchasing a firearm and significant amount of ammunition. Fast forward to March 3rd. He was officially arrested and charged with tampering with evidence for trying to destroy a receipt for the items bought, but was since released after his bond was reduced. Now today, he was arrested again on a murder charge. We stopped by to see how the family was doing, and one of Andreen's closest friends who opened the door spoke to us and told us that, yeah, it's just been a very emotional day for all of them, especially Andreen's mother.
Shocked, saddened, and so grateful that Andre is not free.
Again, it has been several months since any closure has been brought to the family and the hundreds of volunteers who have been searching for a woman they say had a beautiful soul and was the glue that held everyone she met together.
Hey Rabblings, it's your girl Leah here, and right now my day for drop a hot mix-up. Tell me, what would you do? Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings.